Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi bully. All right. Baked beans. Been so many talk about baked beans. I know a lot of people been waiting on me to do another baked beans video. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about this contract balance. Let's talk about what's going on. Let's talk about all these things. But first, DeFi bully YouTube page. Hit that subscribe button. You know what time it is. We bringing that content. Hit that notification bell. It's time sensitive. This is DeFi. Feel me? It's risky business, but high risk, high reward. You know how it go. Hit that like button. I'm about to bring that content. All right, right now. Now, the contract, a lot of people panicking, and it tricked me out because I'm like, what y'all tripping for? All right, look. Even though the contract balance is at 23,170 BNB now, and it's coming down from, I believe it's like 30,000 at one point, 33,000, something like that. But although it's at 23,000 BNB, it's at 23,000 BNB. It's at 23,000 BNB. Tell me something else that's at 23,000 BNB. Hold on, let me show you what that is in US dollars. That's 8.8 million, over 8.8 million, almost $9 million. And people are complaining. I'm like, yo, people are like delusional. All right, boom, look at this. Let me go to total value locked on Monarch. Let's see. All right, it's not gonna show up with these ones. Let's see, baked beans. Okay, they're being advertised right now. So 8.8 million right there, and it's way over everything else. Hold on, let me see if I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, my Diamond Team Volume 2 is at 3.7 million. The BNB Crops Farmer is at 1 million. Toasted Avax is almost pushing that 1 million as well. You know, that's by the same team as Baked Beans. Okay. But Baked Beans is still like the highest one. Look at that. I think right after, what happened to the drip BUSD drip garden? I don't see it. It's not here anymore. Or maybe because I'm trying to rush through this, I don't notice it. That's interesting. But anyway, what I was just trying to show you guys is the contract balance is still higher than everything else out. It's higher than everything else out. So once people's finish taking their profits or whatever, and some of those people get out, I'm pretty sure this will get back to where it's supposed to be at. So what I'm going to do, I've been taking out a little bit of profits. Y'all know I'm not monetized. So baked beans, and I got to... Thank you, baked beans. Thank you. You changed my life. Yes, baked beans is really out here changing lives. Thank you. Because baked beans actually helped me so much, because it helped me with funding other projects like Toasted Avax, like all these and other projects that like I wanted to share with the people. So I got a lot of respect for baked beans. And just to show my part, right now my rewards, I have about 0.346 BNB. That should be about, do this really quick. Price of BNB is a little bit down right now. Actually, everything is kind of down right now. So if you guys into those blue chip coins and stuff, right now probably a good time to buy in. 0.386. Is that what I said? 346. Sorry about that. 0.346. It's about $132, people, that I got in here. I believe this is like a couple days. I can't really remember. I've been kind of sick, people. You probably could hear it in my voice. I've been going too hard. I need to bring it down some. I was in my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires, link down below. I was in my Telegram group telling people we need to start spending some of this crypto. But we also got to grow our positions in them properly so that we could maintain this lifestyle that we want to do with being rich, you know what I mean? Or just being financially free. Even if your goal isn't to be rich, I know your goal should at least be to be financially free. and not be dependent on a job or whatever the case may be. And one way you could do that is by increasing your positions on a lot of these projects that's proven to be sustainable. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rebate this $132 worth of BNB. Rebate that, and it should grow my beans count. Let's see, should grow my beans count from 184 million to, let's see, I believe I had to refresh this. There's no problem. As soon as it say confirmed. But how you guys day going, people? How many beans do you have? Comment down below. I'll be on this Jamaica time, so it's just different. Okay, so now I'm at 232 million, baby, and I still believe Baby Beans is the best miner ever. Sustainability, everything. It's just been around, and it's been around for a while. A lot of people sleeping. They're like, oh, they don't only last like a month. Really? 176 days, people. 176 days. If I pull out that calculator, 176 divided by 30, for example, 30 days in a month, blah blah, 5 and almost 6 months. Yes, and that's a long time in DeFi, people. It is. It's a long time in DeFi. And like I said, similar to the toasted Avax, you could go down here to this right here on Baby Beans. Is that since Baby Beans is on a Binance Smart Chain, you will need BNB tokens for your transactions. And also you could check BScan. This is made for Binance Smart Chain. BSC scan. To actually, you could track the transactions going on, see some selling going on, a lot of hatching, rebaking, some selling, hatching. I like it. So there's a lot of people still believing in the project, apparently, you know, and it's moving a lot faster. Well, they do have a lot of users. Like, it's ridiculous how much people is a part of Baby Beans right now. I got people calling me on a daily basis. I want to get in Baby Beans. I'm like, all right, whatever. My link will be down below. But you don't have to use my link. You can use a friend's link or someone else's link or whatever the case may be. Just get in it. You know what I mean? Before it's too late. That's how I say. And is it too late? I don't think so. This contract balance is still crazy high. And eventually, it'll go back up like everything else in crypto and DeFi. All right? So look at that. $8.9 million. Actually went up a little bit. So, yeah. Since I started the video. So yeah, people, I didn't really want to make this video too long. Just a quick update video on the Baby Beans. And also something to tell you guys with the bake. If you go to the bakebeansproject.com or Crypto Bakehouse, I forgot they redirect. This is gonna redirect it regardless. CryptoBakehouse.com, CryptoBakehouse.com. You'll be on this site right here, people. Now, from the site, you could purchase the BCT token. That's the Bean Chart token. Percentages of that is funneled into the miner itself. So that shows use cases for their token. And from here, you can go directly to the Baby Beans miner, to the staking platform for the BCT, which is the Bean Chart token, or to Toasted Avax right from here. And also, you could get the merchandise now, people. I'm gonna order some soon, but I'm gonna send it to my America address because right now I'm in Jamaica chilling, you know the vibes. But I'll be in the States soon, more than likely. So I just send it there, pick them things up, and blase blase. I just love it out here. It's just, you know what I mean? They say it's a cold world, but I'm pretty sure it's a little warmer by the beach. Yeah, man. All right, so right here, the merchandise, you go t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, sweatshirts, phone cases, art, stickers, mugs, cups, stainless steel bottles. Oh, and these stainless steel bottles are nice because they keep your water cool. I love them things. Mouse pads, I'm probably gonna get one of those. Know what I mean? And yeah, it's just a good innovative thing they got going on, and it's different. You know what I mean? A lot of these other projects, they need to step their game up. You feel me? Step your game up. Do it like the Crypto Bakehouse. You heard me? It's nice at Bangkok. Oh yeah, and they have a lot of offers coming up with 15% off, 20% off. They have like little raffle things going on. So they just trying to make the community happy, and I love it. And I love to see it. I love it. All right. Again, hit that like button. You know I just brought that content. Subscribe. Let's go. And also the toasted Avax. The link for that would be down below as well. Check that out. It's by the same team, same devs. So you know that they have a lot of things up their sleeve. There's a lot of use cases now for the bean chart token and how it helps the baked beans miner and the toasted Avax. But there's also a lot of newer things coming out as well that will help the projects. Hit that notification bell to be alerted. I'll probably be one of the people that's going to let out that information first. You know what I mean? Let's go. Stay good, stay strong, people. Stay smart. It's DeFi. It's risky. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.